Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we are going to discuss how we can update drivers on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. There are many third-party softwares that allow you to update your drivers in one click. But if you don't want to use any third-party application and you want to update your drivers, then this video is for you. To update your driver, simply click on Start button, then go to Setting. Here you will find your setting application. Here simply click on Windows Update and here simply click on Advanced option. Now look for optional updates. Simply click on this option and here you will find driver updates. If there is any driver update on your Windows 11, here you will find all the update list. Currently I have Bluetooth driver update. I'll simply select this option and click on Download and Install. This will update the driver. Here on Update History, you can check your update history. So we had currently updated one driver. Now let me show you another method to update your driver. For that, you need to open your device manager. Here on the search option, simply search for device manager and open this. And here you will find your device manager. Here you will find all the required drivers for your devices. Say for example, you want to update your Bluetooth driver, you will simply click on this Bluetooth option and here you will find your Bluetooth driver option. Simply select that, right click on it and here you will find Update Driver option. So this is the manual method to update your driver on Windows 11. Here simply click on Search automatically for the driver. Currently it is on the latest version. Similarly, you can update other drivers. Say for example, I want to update my display driver. I'll simply click on this display option. Here I have my display driver option. I will simply right click on it and here click on update drivers. And here click on search automatically for the driver. If it has a updated version, it will automatically download and install the driver. Or else you will get this kind of message, the best driver for your device are already installed. So these are the two methods by which you can update your driver on Windows 11 without using any third-party software. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.